as per this Telecommunication Industry Association and Electronic Industries Alliances. Okay, TIA/EIA. Okay, they have basically developed the methods. Okay, under which basically two standards were created. Okay, one is the T568A, another is T568B. Right. In your assignment also you can see if we are following this standard. Okay, T568A. So what should be the order of the wires? Okay, with different colors. Right. Here I am writing to build a UTP. Okay, are straight through okay, UTP network cable. UTP stands for unshielded twisted pair. Right. So we have also discussed creating one network. Okay, wherein we are taking one switch. Okay, and here one system is there, your PC1. Right, and we have connected these two. Okay, maybe other side also we have connected one more PC. Right, two PCs are there, and this is your switch. Right, so this cable, which type of cable connection we need to use to connect a PC with the switch? We use straight through cable. Right, or straight through connection we need to. Okay, let me erase this. Straight through connection. Okay, straight through cable connection. So here just I am considering. Okay, one side we are having this PC. Okay, let me take some another color. Please listen this carefully. Okay, you are having one side your PC1, another side you are having switch. Right, is it clear up to this point? I am talking about this connection. Okay, PC to switch connection. Please let me know in case of any issues, any problem, any difficulty, or any steps you have missed. Okay, so one side I am keeping this PC1 and other side that is switch. Okay, so we will use a straight through cable connection to connect these two devices. Right, so here on PC1 you will find a Ethernet port. Right, in that Ethernet port you will find 8 pins also. Right, so I am writing pin 1. Okay, here simply I am writing pin 1. Okay, I am now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right, here on the other side, that is switch. Okay, you will find Ethernet ports also, wherein we will insert the this network cable. Okay, to one of the port available to the switch. Okay, so here again, if it is RJ45 connector, right? So here again you will see Ethernet port. So 8 pins, 4, and then this is your 5, this is your 6, this is your 7, and this is your 8. Is it clear? Any doubt up to this point?
No, sir.
Okay. So now just I am telling you, means why we are calling this straight through, right? This type of connection, why we are calling it straight through connection. Okay, to connect different devices. Here we have chosen one PC on one side, okay, and switch on the other side, right? So basically, in your assignment, you can see one table, okay, wherein the last column shows what is the function of each pin, right? So here basically pin 1, okay, on the PC, okay, acts as a sender, right? 2 also acts as a sender, right? And then 3 acts as a receiver, okay, and here 6 also acts as a receiver, okay. So this was the configuration in case of your PC, okay. On the other hand, if you see the configuration in this switch, right, so here pin 1 acts as a receiver, pin 2 also acts as a receiver, okay, and here pin 3 basically acts as a sender, and pin 6 also acts as a sender, right? And other pins are not used, okay. So here I am writing not used on this side also, okay, and here also I am writing not used to create such type of connections, right? This also not used. Similarly for this 7 and 8 also, okay. So now you see, suppose data needs to be sent, okay, or data needs to be transmitted, right? So how these pins needs to be connected through wire? See, sender needs to be connected to a receiver, right? So here, suppose I'm taking some other color, okay. How data can be transmitted between this PC and switch? If you connect pin 1, okay, with the pin 3, then what will happen? Since both the pins are acting as sender, or their function is to transmit the data, okay. So in this case, the data will not be sent, right? So on the one side we need to keep sender pin, other side we need to keep receiver pin, okay. Then only this transmission can be made successful, right? So here how connection we need to make? Pin 1 needs to be connected to pin 1. Pin 2 needs to be, because this is sender and this is your receiver, pin 2 needs to connect
Sir?
to, yes.
So जो अपने functions लिखे हैं predefined होते हैं इसमें.
Yes, these are predefined functions, right? Based on the devices, right? If it is a switch, then you will find these functions, okay. If it is what you call PC or any host, okay, then you will find these functions, right? So now here 3 basically, okay, this will be a sender and this will be receiver, so this also can be connected like this, okay. And then with this 6 also you will connect. So what connection we are making it over here? Straight through connection, right? Sender 1 is means pin 1 is connected to pin 1 on the other side, pin 2 is connected to pin 2 on the other side, right? So that's what this type of connections are known as straight through connection. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Any doubt up to this point? Okay. So now we are taking another scenario, okay, wherein we require to connect 2 devices using a copper crossover connection, okay. So this was the example of straight through, right? Now take the example of copper crossover connection, right? Or here I am writing copper crossover connection or UTP cable, right? Network cable. Host are two PCs, right? Okay, this is your PC1, this is your PC2, right? So here we will use copper crossover connection, right? So on the one side, again, I am repeating the same steps. Okay, here I am having PC1, here PC2. Okay, so again here if I'll write all the pins, okay, in this PC1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 pins are there. In PC2 also 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 pins are there, right? So now here PC1, just now I explained, okay, PC1, how the pins functions, okay. Here 1, 2 acts as a sender, okay, and 3 and 6 acts as a receiver, okay. So this is your sender, receiver, and receiver, okay. Others are not used. So this is a PC2, this is also PC only, okay. Here again, your 1 acts as a sender, 2 as a sender, 3 and 6 as a receiver, right? Now you need to make a connection. So where means how we need to connect? How we need to connect? Can we connect 1 to 1? 2 to 2?
No,
Can we
sir.
do that? Not, no? So here basically we need to connect 1, okay, with the 3, sender with the receiver, right? So we will use this connection. Again 2, this is sender, right? And this is your receiver. Then we need to connect it with pin 6, okay. On this side, this sender needs to be connected to receiver, right? So we will connect like this, right? And the second one we need to connect with the 6, pin 6, right? Is there any doubt? Okay, so you can see clearly we are using a crossover connection over here.